thanks to everybody and all the volunteers putting this on, especially Marty right up here in the front, who is our, chief party master and all the recreation events. But pulling this together, Marty, thank you. It's perfect.
We're gonna do a little beach music because it feels kind of beachy out here today.
Baby, what you doing now? Pissing me off. But your hair is so luxurious, and your lips are so soft. Anyway you slice it, you're doing me wrong. Yeah, but I love the way you walk now, and your legs are so long. Well, you got me funny in your hands now, and I took just as much as me to spend now. You can walk your long legs, baby, right out of my life. You can walk your long legs, baby, right out of my life. From the moment that I met you, thought you were fine, so fine, but you crack your little